Yo, what's up guys? A short story behind this award. Supposedly, this should be awarded 2 years ago, February 2024. But due to personal matter and international opportunities, I wasn't able to attend the awarding ceremony. But right now, I'm so happy and grateful to share this beautiful journey with me. Ngayon, nandito ako sa head office and finally, we got this! And guys, if gusto mo malaman kung paano magka-award at of course kung paano kumita kahit estudyante ka man, kahit bata ka, kahit employment, nandyan ka sa employment or meron kang anak sa bahay, no worries because we have a strong system that could help you to earn money even nasa bahay ka or kahit isang lugar ka. So, don't forget to hesitate to message me, Kate Dorias, and of course, if you're asking for the legitimacy, ito yung patunay na legit po tayo. So guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a great day. God bless!